In this video, I'm going to show you how you go ahead and edit your Clinic Hub profile that is viewable to clients on the Treehouse Hub. First, you're going to go and you're going to navigate down to the community option on the left-hand sidebar. This will open up a new tab where you are able to go ahead and edit your provider profile and the clinic profile if you are an admin or the super user of that clinic. So what you're going to do is for the clinic profile, you can go ahead and name your clinic, upload any logos, and add all of your contact information for that clinic specifically, and add any details about that clinic, as well as any of the services that are offered. And once you save all of that information, that clinic profile will be successfully updated, where you can then go and view the public profile and check out what your clinic profile looks like to a client. And that is how you go ahead and edit your clinic profile for the Community Hub.